Hi, Group 3. Here are your spelling words for your test. Number 1 is clog. There is a clog in the drain. There must be something in it. Clog. Number 2 is twig. After the storm, I could see a lot of twigs on the ground. Twigs. Number 3 is clean. Make sure to clean out your desk in the morning. Clean. Number 4 is fruit. Fruit is a healthy choice as a snack. Fruit. Number 5 is brave. The hero in the story was very brave. Brave. Number 6 is scale. In math, we use a scale to see how many grams something weighs. Scale. Number 7 is thank. Please thank our guest reader for coming in today. Thank. Number 8 is sharp. Please make sure that your pencil isn't too sharp. Sharp. Number 9 is phone. I accidentally left my phone on my desk. Phone. Number 10 is front. Please move to the front of the line. Front. Your next word is team. Make sure you work together as a team to earn points. Team.